Repair Clinic makes fixing things easy. With millions of replacement parts available on our website and the help you need to do the repair yourself. Since we encourage you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the light assembly in your electric range, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Fully open the oven door and rotate both door hinge locks back. Partially close the door, then lift and pull the door toward you to remove. With the handle side down, set the door on a blanket. Now slide out the oven racks. Unthread the appropriate lens cover for the light assembly you're replacing. Unscrew the light bulb. Use a flathead screwdriver to bend the socket housing tabs in to release the socket housing. Disconnect the two wires to fully remove. Before you install the new light assembly, we recommend unthreading the lens cover from the socket and unscrewing the light bulb. Now connect the two wires to the appropriate terminals. Position the socket housing and snap it into place. Screw in the light bulb and thread the lens cover on. Slide the oven racks into place. Reinstall the oven door by inserting the door hinges into the hinge slots at a 45-degree angle. Lower the door to its fully open position, then rotate the hinge locks forward. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and the electric range should be ready for use. At Repair Clinic, we make fixing things easy. Thank you for supporting the production of these videos by purchasing your parts from our website.